Hi everyone, on today's video I'll be showing you a quick and easy hairstyle you can do on your little girl within 10 minutes. So I've already washed her hair and conditioned it. I proceeded to apply her leave-in conditioner and her hair growth oil. I'll be attaching the link. Then I parted the hair into a slant. This way you don't have to do it perfectly. You can actually choose whatever slant you want to do. Then this is her rubber band. I sprayed some water to make it soft and smoothened her edges with a brush. Then I had to detangle with a wide tooth comb so that her braids will look very smooth and nice. I applied her edge control. I've been using this for a while and I find it nice. It doesn't leave any white cast and it lays her edges nicely without any flyaway hair. I make sure it's neat. I don't apply a lot. Then I smoothened again with a brush and proceeded to using a rubber band. This rubber band is very good. I will try to link it in the description box. Then I pass it as much as I can depending on the thickness of the hair. I can do this 4 to 5 times or even 6 times if the hair quantity is not as thick as this. I try to hold it tight without it hurting her, and also maybe so that it doesn't leave any rashes on her face when I'm done with the hair. Then I detangle the ends, that way her hair looks smooth. Then I proceed to twisting the hair. If you love braiding, you can decide to braid instead of twisting, but twisting is quite easy for me because it's easy to take down. I usually spray water in between if the hair feels dry. Around here I use a lot of water instead of products. Then I secure the ends with a rubber band. This is to prevent it from unraveling. I do this as much as I can, maybe 4 to 5 times to make it tight. Then I proceed to make another slant to complement the first one that I already did. Like I mentioned, you can choose to do a triangle, you can choose to make a heart depending on your pattern skill, but I chose to do slants, something that is easy that I can maintain throughout the hair. Then I detangled the ends and proceeded to twist like I did in the front and secured the end with a rubber band. This is what you're going to keep doing if you want to part the hair into 5 sections, but I chose to do just 4 so that this style will be quick and easy. Her back hair is a little different from the front, so I usually spray some water to loosen it. Then I use my fingers to detangle so that she doesn't cry because she doesn't let me touch her hair a lot. Yeah, and that's it for this style. It's quick, it's easy. Just 4 patterns and you're good to go. This hair doesn't take much time, and like I mentioned, if you would love to see more videos or you would love me to create some styles, please leave it in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to this channel so you can see more of this, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. As always, my name is Vivian. Thank you for your time and thank you for your support. Have a great day.